So we've got the latest generation VW T6 California in with us. This is coming for the latest Blackvue generation dash cameras, the DR970x Plus, 2-channel, as well as the Blackvue battery pack. I just thought I'd just show you a quick video of what we can achieve in these. We've done quite a lot of these now. A lot of companies don't want to do this type of install because it is quite a lengthy process, but we've done quite a lot now, so it's not much of a challenge for us here at TTW. So I'll just quickly show you inside. We've got the main cameras fitted nicely just up there. From the driver's point of view, you won't really see it. And then from the rear, main camera itself is situated just there, and as you can see, there's no visible wiring at all from that aspect. And then we've also just fitted, which I can't really show you on the video, but we've fitted the battery pack itself, which is underneath the driver's seat, which is nicely there. Customer still has access to it if he wants. So if you've got VW T6, either converted, non-converted, California, and you're looking to get the latest generation dash cameras fitted in, then please get in touch.